All right, well, World AIDS Day is coming up soon, and Zawakana with the Arkansas Department of Health is here with more on that and why it's important to get tested for STDs. So thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, so tell me a little bit about what World AIDS Day is and when is it happening?
World AIDS Day is December 1st, and it's important because what it does is just promote HIV testing. And so we want to encourage Arkansans to go out, get tested, and to know their status.
Okay, why is it important for people to get tested?
Absolutely. So it's important to get tested because knowing your status helps prevent the spread of HIV and other STDs. So if someone were to go to the health department and get tested and they did test positive for HIV, they would be referred to a provider who can help them manage their HIV diagnosis.
Okay.
If they test positive for other STDs, they would receive the treatment that they need for that disease specifically. And other STDs actually make it easier for someone to become HIV positive. And so that's why getting tested is so important.
Okay, and what are some preventions to make sure that you don't get AIDS in the first place?
Absolutely. So there are several ways you can prevent yourself from getting HIV or other STDs. Abstinence is one. Being in a mutually monogamous relationship is one. Using condoms, latex and polyurethane condoms consistently and correctly is also another way.
Okay.
Treatment is also prevention. If someone is HIV positive and they are taking their medication consistently and they are undetectable, they're less likely to spread the virus to another person. Also, there's PrEP, which is a 1 pill a day medication that someone who is HIV negative can take to prevent getting HIV. And then also, like we talked about earlier, getting tested is also very important. Knowing your status is prevention as well.
Okay, and where can people go if they do want to get tested?
If anyone is interested in getting tested, they can go to their primary care physician or they can go to the local health unit and get tested for HIV and other STDs.
Okay, perfect. And where is the local health unit? Can you let me know?
Yes, there are several actually throughout the state. There's actually one in every county. But if someone is not familiar with where to go, they can actually visit our website and go to healthy.arkansas.gov.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you so much.
All right, let's check in.